Hello guys, review OPPO A38 with version 4GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Open box and talk about complementation. Device, gold color. In complementation we have on this only documentary, papers, and we have Type-C cable, adapter for charging. Double camera on the back side, 6.5 inch on the front side. On this side, slot for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, power button and warm buttons, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device, we have display, HD plus resolution, IPS, color as 13.1, Android 13. Okay. Close this. Look, Geekbench 6. CPU we have MediaTek Helio G85, 6+2 cores, and GPU Mali G52. Results. And look under the benchmark results. Okay. Run GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas doesn't work, okay. And I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.